Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Joanna and welcome to my channel. And for all my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you for joining the family. Today we will be doing this look right here. Pretty much it's all about the pinks, and I threw in a little bit of like that corally orange in there just because, you know, Valentine's Day is not just pink, there's orange. Like when you get the little candy hearts, you have the pinks, the oranges, blues, the greens, yellow. I decided to incorporate that into my makeup look, but you can do this bold eye. It's only using 2 colors, okay, maybe 3 colors, just the top, which is optional, and the lip, you can go with a lip color like this, or you can just go with a nice little gloss. And I think the gloss will look amazing because the gloss won't take off any attention off the eyes. Oh, also before I get into the video, I want to apologize because I had 2 people comment on a video of mine. Even though it was 4 months ago, I still want to clarify everything. I did apologize, but I just want to say I'm sorry. I never got the notification saying that you guys posted on my, and oh, it was so sweet, the things you guys were saying. It's so sad because I never got that notification. I never got to respond. You know, positivity means so much to me. Anything good that you guys have to say means so much to me. It just makes me like get up and go. It motivates me more. I just want to say thank you. You guys are awesome. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I still don't know exactly where I'm gonna do the giveaway, whether it's gonna be here on YouTube or if it's gonna be on Instagram. So you guys would have to stay tuned, watch my videos so that you guys can know where and when it's all gonna go down. All right, enough blabbing. I got all that out of my system. Let's get into the video. Going in with this Cut Crease canvas by Makeup Revolution. It's a full coverage eyeshadow base. You gotta put in little dots because let me tell you, this is actually kind of runny and you gotta be careful with it. Just be very gentle and don't put too much, and be careful while blending. You don't get it into your eyebrows if you draw them on before your makeup. Once you are done blending it in, just make sure that there is no creasing. So if there is any, just dab it with your little index finger. And going into the Beauty Killer palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, or Jeffree Star himself, we're gonna go into the shade Star Power. And we're just gonna start packing that into the crease. Or if you're like me and have hooded eyelids, you're just gonna pack that right above where your natural crease would be, if that makes any sense. We're gonna give ourselves like little raccoon eyes, but with pink. I just gotta make sure I get that inner corner really good. And then once your eyes like this, you're moving on to the next color. And we're gonna go into the Jawbreaker palette, which is by Jeffree Star Cosmetics as well, or Jeffree himself, once again. And in that palette, oh, it's so beautiful. We're gonna be using this shade, which is in the color Fuck. I'm sorry, but that's the name of the shade. And you're just gonna put that right above the first color. And using the Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to blend the pink and the coral color together using windshield wiper motions. And that way these colors will blend seamlessly. And just remember, there's no such thing as blending too much. Now, using this Wet n Wild brush, it's a crease blending brush, I am going to blend out the outer edges of that coral, which is the transition shade. And I'm just gonna blend it out so that it's not like a big harsh line. And yeah. Look at me. Woo, I'm jamming to Sesame Street there, if you guys are wondering. And then I'm going back in with that Star Power shade from the Killer palette, and I'm putting that on, packing that on with a Wet n Wild brush as well. That one is a shading brush, I think. Can't remember the name, but Dollar Tree, baby, Dollar Tree. And I continue to do these steps. I go back and forth until I get the colors that I want. And once I'm blended, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm using the same Makeup Revolution base that I used in the beginning to set the base, or set the eye. No, prime the eye, that's the word. So be careful, like I said, because it's runny, and it gave me a hell of a time to cut my crease with this. I don't know, I can't change P. Louise. I like P. Louise. So just be very careful, and I don't bring it all the way to the end. I bring it just a little bit before that, and blend it in with my fingers. And here I'm using a Tarte brush, and I'm just packing in the color Fuck onto the eyelid. That eye look that I have on the other eye is what I came up with at first, and then I didn't like it, so I did go and change it after to what I'm showing you guys on the other eye. I don't know, for some reason I felt like it was too much going on that eye, and I want it to be pink but like cute and simple. And then I'm using that same Morphe 506 brush, and I am putting more of that Star Power color from the Killer palette into the outer corner and just bringing it in just a little bit, just blending it in. And of course, you know me, I gotta check myself out a few times, make sure it's looking good. And then going into the Jawbreaker palette using the shade Virgin, I'm gonna put that on the brow bone because I just felt like I went a little too high with that coral color, and so to fix it, I put a brow bone color. And that's another little tip. And then after that, I did put lashes on, and I used Extension Seeker, and this is by Salon Perfect. Now going in with this eyeliner pencil by Italia. It's in the color white. I'm gonna put that into my waterline. And I'm so proud of myself because usually I tug at my eye or on my eye to put this on. So I decided not to because I get yelled at all the time. So make sure it's nice and white. And if it's like a little hard, just rub it on the back of your hand a little bit and it should soften. And here I'm putting the shade Virgin into there to set it into the eyelid. I mean, not the eyelid, the waterline. Then going in with Star Power from the Killer palette again. I'm just gonna put that at the bottom, using a little pencil brush, and then blending that out with the color Fuck from the Jawbreaker palette using the Makeup Shack brush T63. Whew, I don't know what happened there, but I almost messed that up. And then I decided to try this out. This is by Real Techniques. It's a little sponge, and you're supposed to use it dry to take out any fallout that you have under your eye or anywhere on your face. And let's just say that bitch worked. And then I'm taking the color Star Power once again, and I'm just adding it just for a little more oomph. Using the Unicorn Glow palette by Face Candy. I am not a big fan of it, but I decided to use it. And I am going into the color Stardust. I don't know, I used it, but I'm not happy about it. And I wet my brush with the MAC Fix Plus, and then add it to the inner corner on both eyes. Oh, it looks good on camera, but my color's off on this camera. And using my favorite mascara, you guys already know, the L'Oreal Telescopic for my lower lashes to just finish the look because I just love this so much. I love this mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. I had to put it together very quickly because, you know, I have my son Lucas, who is a toddler. He's only 2 years old, and he gets into everything. I mean, he got into brushes, makeup, eyeshadow. I have eyeshadow all over the floor here that I need to pick up. But hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Bye.